Hi everyone, it's me, Jill, and today's video is all about how to make a cake pop that look like a pig. I'm going to be using candy melts in this really cool light pink colour. And candy melts, if you don't know, they're a vanilla flavoured chocolate. Tastes like chocolate, it is chocolate. And you can use it in the microwave, you can put it over boiling water, or you can use a little melting pot, which I got just to try out to see what it was like. So I've melted that down. My cake pops are already ready. I've also prepared my little shapes. So for any cake pop animal, you want to make sure you get everything lined up before you dip it into your melt because it dries really, really quick. So have everything lined up ready to go. I've got my little tails. I've got my eyeballs ready. These little bad boys. I buy these in packets. I don't think you need to make eyeballs, but that's up to you. Personal choice. I also made some little pink circles with, you can't see it because I use a lot of corn flour when I do my fondant work. I made a big ball of pink and that was out of a ball of white with a soft pink colouring, completely covered my hands. I like to make my fondant at home out of marshmallows and powdered sugar. If you want to know how to do that, I will be posting a video about that. If this video is a little bit older, then I would have already made the video and already posted it. So have a look for Jill's homemade fondant. Super easy, and it also stores really well, and it's got a really good taste to it because it's all marshmallow. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It smells good too. Okay, so let's get started. If this all goes completely wrong, it's going to go wrong in front of you. One fresh cake pop, frozen. Dip your candy pop into your cake melt, give them a bit of a whirl round and get your spoon and everything out of the way. Doesn't matter if it isn't perfect. These are really hard to get right. So here he is. We're going to just get to work straight away. We're going to drop an eye on and another little eye like so. Thank you. We're going to put his little nose on. Make him look real silly. Push him in quite firmly. We need ears, obviously, so let's put those on top. 1 and a 2. Let's move that. Now remember, it really sets very, very fast, so you want to make sure you're moving at quite a rapid rate without shaking, without rushing. Don't rush it, there's no need to rush. And then don't forget his little tail has got to go on the back. And you can just push him on. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now, when he completely dries, I'm going to get rid of all of the corn flour that's on him. So let's do another one. Take your cake pop, put it into your candy melt. Don't go nuts. You're just going to turn it. Remember, it's going to be frozen or it's going to be kind of cold. So this is going to set pretty quick. Okay. I'm going to put his eyes on. 1 and 2. We're going to put his snout on. Nice big snout for this one. And then don't forget his tail. So far we've got 2 piggies. Now they are drying in front of my eyes. The corn flour that you see on the fondant, that just makes sure that nothing gets stuck to each other. So when these guys are dry, I'm going to take a brush with some water and I'm just going to literally brush off that corn flour. That's our final one. They have such a funny face. But they're so cute. So that's our little piggy cake pop. Is he perfect? Far from it. Is he delicious? Absolutely. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave me a comment or ask any questions that you have. Remember, I'm not a professional baker. This is something I just do as a hobby and I absolutely love it. I hope you do too.